Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. It's me Anil and I am back with a new project, that is e-shopping, or you can say e-commerce as well. So in this project, first of all we have a home page. In home page it will gonna display the list of categories and the subcategories present in categories as well. Okay, and it's gonna display this banner image, the list of categories present in it, and the list of product, the count of product gonna display here. Okay, and if we click on the category image, it's gonna take us to the product page, and the product, we're gonna display the product present in it. Okay, so this is the home page. So we can go here by clicking on category image, it take us to the product page. Okay, and here we can search by the product name, and we can reset the search, and we can sort here by these letters, alphabetical order, price, etc. Okay, we can reset that as well, and we can go to view details of the product from here. We can add items to the cart from here, but like for adding the items we required user to be logged in. For viewing details it didn't require any user login. Okay, even for the home page, product page, in product page we have only for product. Okay, just kept for testing purpose. Okay, we can have multiple items in it. Okay, so in product page also user login is not required in home page as well as for contact page, but the pages that we have here, like for the shopping cart, wish list, orders, it requires user login. Okay, so before the user login we must register a user first. Okay, so in register here, user need to be registered here. Okay, and here username should be unique while registration, and the username taken by someone else can't be registered as a new user with the same username. Okay, so let's log in and see here. I'm done here with the user login. We can see here the user profile details. Okay, so user can edit the user details, profile details. Click on edit, it will take us to the registration page where user can edit their profile informations, all the user informations like name, username, email, contact number, address, pin code or zip code, the profile image as well, and the password. Okay, so it will gonna update the profile from here. Let's say update this so the profile details has been updated, and it will take us to the profile page. Okay, after successfully updated, you can see here the post code or pin code get updated. Okay, so user can see the list of orders, order history, the user who has the item that bought previously. Can see here in order history we have the number of orders done by the user with the delivered status. Okay, and the order ID. User can download the invoice anytime from here for their order. Okay, let's go to here in product page where we have the list of items present here. Okay, so now let's search it by the name. So let's search here men. In men, we found 3 items. The first men, second also man, the third one that is women. From women, that men it gets searched. Okay, so let's search here, reset it and search for top, that is women top. Okay, sorry, I have clicked on reset search. Here we can see top. Okay, so it will gonna display, it gonna search the item by the product name. Okay, as well as we can sort the items here by the latest one. So you can see the order got changed here, and we can sort it by alphabetical order as well, from A to Z. You can see it gets changed, and we can filter it according to the price as well. Look here. Okay, so we can reset this as well. Now we go on a product details here. Let's click on here, view details of this product. We can see in details page the product name, the average ratings, total count of review, brand name, price, short descriptions about product, and category, subcategory, the size available for this item, and the colors. Okay, user can add multiple items to the cart. User can add this item to the wish list as well. Okay, then here it displays the product descriptions, this long description. Okay, and here in the information it displays the additional information about product. In review, it's gonna display the reviews added by the user. Okay, so in review it's gonna display the review date. Okay, the username and their rating and the review. Okay, as well as the user profile. If there is no user profile, it's gonna display this image. If the user has its profile image, it's gonna display here their actual image. Okay, the user who has recently bought this item gonna can only add the review for this item. Okay, this applies same for every product. Okay, so so this user has 3 items in wish list. You can see here. Yeah, and it's going to display here the stock, the items present in stock or not. This item is in stock, this item is out of stock, this item is in stock. Okay, from here directly user can add items to the cart or remove from the wish list. Okay, so we can navigate from here to this product details page. Okay, click here, you can see here. So here you can see there is no review for this product. That is why here displays no rating and 0 reviews here. Okay, and details page at the below displays the number of items, that is the top 5 recently added product. Here going to display the order gets changed when the page get refreshed every time. Okay, and okay, so here in wish list we have seen. In cart we can see here we have 2 items in cart. That is here we can see. From here as well we can navigate to the particular that product item details page. Okay, and the unit price and the total price based on the quantity. Okay, we can update the cart from here. Like suppose I have to take here 1 and here 2. Okay, update cart, I'm gonna update the total price here. Okay, we can remove the item from the cart here. Like we know this item is not in stock. Okay, so let's proceed with the checkout. You can see here the regular items is out of stock. Okay, it didn't allow you to move further without removing this item from the cart. So we need to buy other items available in in cart, we need to remove this one, the item which is not in stock. So we have to remove it from here. Let's remove. Item get removed from the cart successfully. You can see right now we have only one. You can continue the shopping, like it can add other items from here. Right now, like which we have which item here in cart, this man jean. Okay, so let's add here this one, directly added to the cart. Okay, so you can see the message is item saved in cart successful, right? Because it's a new items, so we can see here the item get added here. Suppose we want to add this item again, at that time we can see the message is little different. Let's add it to the cart. Item in cart is modified. At starting previous, when the item we are about to add it for the first time in cart, at that time the message displays that item is saved successfully in cart, right? But after like second time when we are adding this item to the cart, it displays item get modified. Means that at the first time that item is not present, at that time it's going to display item saved in cart successfully. But when the item is present in cart and we are adding that similar item to the cart, that then message will going to display the item, the cart item gets modified. Okay, and we can see here the cart quantity is 2, but in cart we can see here we have total 4 quantity of the product item, but in actual we have only 2 main product items, right? That is 2. So that's why here the count in cart displays 2, but in details we can see, like in cart we can view that first the particular item is have of 2 quantity, the second one as well. Okay, now we can proceed with this payment. Okay, the chocolate cupcake is out of stock. This one, don't look at the name of this item. Okay, just for testing purpose. Let's decrease the quantity. Maybe we have in stock. Okay, we don't have that item in stock, so we need to remove it from the stock. Okay, from the cart. Okay, so now let's proceed. If we want, we can add other items as well. This one, add it. Okay, quantity you can see here. Okay, so we can proceed to the checkout. Here in checkout also we can preview our orders details, like which items we are gonna buy. Okay, so here this item we are going to buy, and the quantity is 1, the quantity is 2 for this item, and the price, the single unit price of the product displays here. Okay, and the subtotal based on the quantity and the unit price, it will calculate and display the total price that user need to pay. Okay, so here in payment mode, like we have 2 options: the card payment, the cash on delivery. Okay, when we redirect to this page, we have the card payment open here, but we have cash on delivery option as well. But for that we need to check the checkbox. At the below can see here the checkbox for the cash on delivery. If we click on it, that cash on delivery option get open. Okay, so we have 2 options for the payment, that is card payment, and the second one is cash on delivery. Okay, so now if this checkbox is checked, that means we are about to use the cash on delivery payment method. Okay, and if it is unchecked, that means we are about to use the card payment. Okay, so let's use the here the card payment. This is a dummy payment, okay, not the real one. Expiry date, CV, address. Okay, let's place this order. Your items order successful. Now after successful order place, it takes us to the invoice page with the user, with the order number, order ID, okay, of that items with the total price. We can see here we can download the invoice. We click on the download invoice, it will take us to the this to download this invoice in PDF page. Okay, we can save this here, save it. Can see here the same item details that present here. Okay, the date and time, place, order place. Okay, it will going to display here date and time as well. Okay, so we can see that the details here in orders as well. At the end we can find that the payment mode, that is card. Just now we have done that. Okay, with the all its details. Okay, we can find here right now. This by default this item, the order item is pending. Okay, admin will gonna update the status, which will get reflected here the user. And okay, user can download the invoice anytime just by clicking on this invoice button. Okay, it will take to the invoice page. From there they can download the invoice. Okay, and okay, now after the payment, like you can see the cart item get removed. Okay, so in wish list, from here we can add items to the cart. Add to cart, item get here added. Okay, as well as in product details page also, view details. From here we can have multiple items directly to the cart. Can see item get saved, and can see that quantities here in cart items too. Okay, so we can have items from here as well in from for the wish list. Item already exists in wish list. This item is already present in wish list, so it didn't add. Okay, so let's remove this item from the wish list here. Remove it. Let's remove. Now go to the details page of this item. Now add to the wish list. Item saved in wish list successfully. Okay, so the count also get increased here. If we proceed to check out, and if we come back, still we have this item in cart. Can see here. Okay, so we have seen the home page, product page. Okay, okay, the one thing that is this one, the navigations for the categories is still left. Suppose like we want to navigate here by the categories or subcategory wise. Okay, in gift, like if we don't have any product. Okay, and in bag, so we have one thing like we have to consider here. Like in gift there is no subcategories, that's why we are able to click on this gift category. Okay, and there is no product display present in this category. But in dress we have subcategories. On clicking on dress, it will gonna open the subcategories menu. Okay, it will not take us to the product page and display the list of items present in dress. Okay, but instead of that, it will gonna display the subcategories present in dress. After that, if we click on the subcategory, it gonna take us to that shop page, product page, where display the item present in that subcategories. Okay, in men's, I think there is no product. In women's dress, yeah, we have 2 items present. Okay, so we can filter the items by here categories and subcategories. Okay, we have seen home, product details page as well. Then here the shopping cart, wish list, orders, in contact. We can have here any thanks out for teaching. We'll look into your query. Okay, so let's log out from here and log in as an admin. Okay, okay, so this is the admin module. I'm gonna display the admin's profile and their name. Admin can check the details of the profile as well. Okay, so in dashboard it's going to display the count of items for the particular activities, like displays the categories, the count. Okay, you can go from here, the subcategories, product, total orders made, and the items, pending items, dispatch item out for delivery, delivered items, lifetime sold amount, last month sold amount, the users, the feedbacks. So in categories, like admin can add the new categories, okay, as well as update the existing categories just by clicking on here, edit. It gonna fills with the details, and from here admin can update the details of that category. Okay, we can filter here, rearrange the items by the name, then the is active or active, and the created date. Okay, it get filtered. We can search here as well by the details present among this data that we are able to see, like names. Okay, even for date we can search. Okay, and even for active. Right now we have each and every item categories is active, and the importance of this active is active here, like if the item is active, it's gonna display to the user. If it is inactive, it won't display, okay, at the user end, but admin able to view it. Okay, the same thing we have in subcategories page as well, but here like adding the subcategory, it required to select the categories as well, in which category the admin want to add the new subcategory name. Okay, so here we can find 2 items is inactive. Let's search for active. Okay, it's not displaying. Okay, okay, inactive also have the active, so we have to write it down inactive like this way, so it's gonna display inactive only. Okay, so we can expand here to see the other remaining hidden details. Okay, so we can delete as well here, but first it will ask for the confirmation before deleting it. After confirmation, it will display delete that the data. Okay, we can get this data into PDF, as well as have option available for printout. We'll get data into Excel file. Okay, or we can get data into a copy, we can paste it somewhere else. Okay, so let's see this one, CSV. You can see here it displays here the data, and if we go for this PDF, it get downloaded here. You can see this one. Okay, the in this like the image part won't display, the column of image it won't display, as well as for the action. In action we have 2 icon, that is for edit and delete. It won't display that column data as well. Okay, and we can directly go for the print here, the printer connected to it. we have option for print. We will get this data as a printed in a paper. Okay, now after that product, here we can add the product in like product name, sub the categories. In category like bag, we have option here for selecting subcategories. Before selecting category, we won't have the option to select the category. Okay, so if we have the option if we select the category, then only we have the option to select the subcategory. Okay, so it gets updated dynamically based on the selection of category. Okay, so the price, the color, here we can see multiple color. At the time of adding product, we can have multiple color and multiple sizes of that items present. Okay, so for selecting the multiple items for the color and size, just press Ctrl and click on the color you need to select. Okay, so here we have three items, three colors for this product, and here Control select, we have multiple size. Okay, so like this way we can select the items for this color, the size, the quantity. Here we can add quantity, the company name, like for which company this item, we need to add the short description, long description, additional description, the tags, search keywords. Okay, and the image, as I told, the single item product, we have 4 images. Okay, so we need to compulsory add 4 images of that product. Okay, while adding the images, we have the option to preview like this way. Suppose let's open this way, we'll able to view that image. Okay, preview it. Okay, so we need to first of all download the image for that particular items, then need to select that 4 images for that items. Okay, and then we have the option here for setting the default image at the time of while displaying the list of items of that product. At that time we are able to see only one image at a time, right? When we click on the details page of that product, at that time we are able to view all 4 images, right? But while displaying the list of items, list of product items, at that time we are able to see only one image of that product item, right? So which image should display at that time? So this is the option. From here we can set that option, first image, second image, third image, or fourth image, which image we want to set as a default image for that product. Okay, after that is active part, we know the functionality of this is active. If it is active, then it's going to display that product item to the user, and otherwise it won't. Okay, so we can display this this can be useful when the item is not in stock. Okay, admin can set this as inactive. Okay, so it won't display this item to the user end. Okay, user not able to view this get this item. Okay, so this is how we can add the items. And product list, we have the list of items here, and here it displays the quantity, and can see here the quantity with the 1 is highlighted. Okay, that means here the logic implemented here, if the item is the quantity of item is 5 or less than 5, it gonna highlight that quantity, and on a tooltip here you can see item about to be out of stock. Okay, so it will gonna highlight that item quantity to the admin, so that admin come to know about the item is soon going to out of stock, so admin can update the quantity okay, for this item. And if we expand this, it gonna display the created date and action. Okay, like if we want to update, suppose we click on add it, it will take us to this product page, like where we are adding the new product. Now we can update the product details. Okay, so we can see here the selected colors for this item, the selected size, which where it will gonna display that the color and size for this item at the user end. Others items won't display. Okay, so this is how we can view this item details, and from here as well we can update. Suppose I want to update this default image to this second one. The first one was displaying as a default image, right? Let's update it. Product item get updated. So can see here the item, the image displaying for this item is changed. Okay, the second image is now displaying as a default image. Okay, so like we can go for here, like for adding new product, or we can go from here as well. Okay, so here in order status, admin can update this one, the order status by the order ID and on which date and time the orders get placed. Okay, so from there admin can find out which order details, he need to update the status of that order. Okay, so it will going to display the product name, total price, and this one, the payment mode made. Okay, and if we click on here on edit, can find the selected the status, that is dispatch. You can update to it out for delivery. Can see here now it's out for delivery. Still it's not delivered. The delivered color, background color gonna change to this green. Let's make this second one to the delivered. Okay, let's update and delivered. Can see the item gets delivered. Okay, this is how admin can update the status, and the same the status, the order details for this product, whichever the user has made, it will gonna display that updated status. Okay, the users here, admin will find the list of users present in the website with the details, and from here admin can delete the users as well. Okay, so in selling report, here we can find the selling of the report, how much price, money they have made from the from that particular time period. Suppose let's say from here to today. Okay, let's search. So we'll have here this much amount, that is this much amount price we have sold, the cost till now, sold cost. Okay, it will gonna display which user has bought that. Okay, this user has bought 6 items, so it gonna combine all that item orders into one, because this user has made. Okay, so it gonna combine that all orders for made by this user. Same for the others as well. This user has made 27 item orders. Okay, so that way user wise it gonna order that combine that order item orders, and based on that calculation of the total cost will gonna display here, and all this total cost gets calculated and displays here in the sold cost. Okay, I think this is a lifetime earnings, lifetime sold earning. The same amount we can see in the dashboard as well. Let's see. Okay, no, still one item is left, I think. So if we go to the previous month and here today, let's search. Now we can see the lifetime earning we have here. Okay, so we can search here date wise. Let's search for today. Okay, from from date to date. Okay, both we have selected current date. Okay, so here we can see we have 3 items orders. Okay, and total price is this one, and the same here for the sold cost. This this data also we can get it into like PDF, CSV, like Excel, or we can have the even printout. Okay, so we are in selling report. In feedback we can view the feedback given by the users. So this is a feedback like we have given we have got by this user. Okay, we can delete as well here. Just click on delete. Okay, that record is deleted. Okay, so in feedback right now is the count is 1. Okay, so delivered item is 4. Let's see here, we have 4. So here we can see there is 2 page for this data, displaying the data. We have 2 page. The first page we have 2 delivered order item. Okay, the second page we have other 2 delivered items. Okay, in first page it gonna display only 10 records at a time. More than 10 items gonna display in next page. Okay, this will be the same for every page where we are displaying the data. Okay, so here like I have used the jQuery plugin, that is data table. So based on that we have got this option for this getting data into PDF, print, Excel, and search and reorder the data from here. Okay, so I think everything is now. I have shown you whatever I have done in this project. Okay, yeah. So anyone interested to buy this project, you can contact me on Telegram or WhatsApp. The contacting links are given in the about section of my channel. You can contact me from there, or I will provide the in description or in comment of this video. Okay, so in future maybe I will gonna start the video tutorial of this project, but first I need to complete the existing one, that is online food ordering project. So I didn't get much time for like to record a video, then edit it and then upload it. It takes enough time, you can say whole day time. Like I didn't get time to record video in daytime, and I have to record it at the night. Okay, so it's not possible for me to manage it all alone. As you know, like I am all alone, I don't have any team to do it. Okay, so I have to manage it all alone. Okay, so if you are interested to buy, you can contact me on Telegram or on WhatsApp for the same. Okay, thank you guys for watching. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, bye. Thank you for watching.